Welcome, today I am with OPPO Reno6 Pro 5G from the European distribution, and today we are going to check if this smartphone comes with protective silicone case and a box set. Here we got the charger, cable, and in this place we can find paperwork and also silicone case. I'm gonna put it on the phone. As you can see, it's very easy to put it on. Buttons are protected. We got cutouts for USB-C cable, speaker, for microphone right here, and that's the camera bumper. This case is a little bit above our camera set, and the same is on the screen on the edges. So when you put your phone like that on the flat surface, we are not going to scratch the phone or lenses. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.